Hello dear subscribers. This time I was lucky. I found two abandoned cars at once. The first of them is a 1984 Mercedes-Benz 280SL convertible. Quite a rare car. Please note that the car is in a very good condition. The second car was Volkswagen Golf III generation, in a very poor state. Someone wanted to make some tuning on it. They installed a tuning of the bumper, wheels, low-profile tires. I decided to open the door, and then I regretted it. The cabin smelled very badly. There was a smell of sweaty socks. It seemed to me that this car was drowned. I'm interested in your comments of these two cars. Thanks for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe. Bye bye.